Everybody, Richard C. Wilson here. I want to talk to you real quick about a concept I got from Dan Sullivan called intellectual shortcuts. It's similar to Charlie Munger's almanac, where he talks about mental models and how everybody should have 80 to 100 of these that stack on top of each other. An intellectual shortcut is a process or a thought, a strategy on how to get something done that leads to faster results. And everybody's looking for these. That's why everyone reads books and goes to conferences and listens to podcasts and has friends, has coffee with their smart biotech friend or real estate friend to learn more about their industry or how they're investing in their area. And I'm seeing that that is a big part of the value that we try to provide here at the Family Office Club. And for some of our members, I know we do provide, whether it's the intellectual shortcut of deal origination strategies for investors or how to start your family office, or for those raising capital, it could be equipping them with the intellectual shortcut of prepping their pitch deck, or an equity multiplier shortcut, or an investor funnel construction shortcut for those in the investor relations side of things. So if you haven't engaged yet with us here at the Family Office Club, I'd love for you to get started in doing so. We have investor summits coming up, full interactive virtual workshops with breakout rooms and exercises that you can fill out in PDF, and a fillable PDF, an editable PDF, or print out and complete. So I welcome you to get involved with our community and start benefiting from these intellectual shortcuts as we develop and share more and more of them over time. That's really what's led to all of our growth here at the Family Office Club. So this is Richard C. Wilson, and thanks for following our work. Take care.